On a beautiful day like today, why not learn some numbers? Take any kind of chalk and an open space, either in your backyard or front sidewalk, and let's begin. Start out by writing out the numbers 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, depending on your child's age and development. As you can see, I've just finished writing out the numbers 1 through 5 for this example. I also go back and show the numbers on my fingers as an extra set of developmental skills. Next, you'll need some natural items as materials. I have different kind of leaves and branches. As you can see, I have one tree branch here, and I'm going to place it beside the number 1. I also found 2 big leaves. If you can find them, point them out. There they are. Let's grab them and place them beside the number 2. Next, we'll need number 3. Can you see 3 leaves? That's right, 1, 2, 3. Let's grab them and go. Next, we'll need the number 4. I found 4 small yellow leaves. Let's place them beside the number 4. And last but not least, we have our 5 pine cones. And now we're placing them beside the number 5. And that's it. If you continue to do this activity, you can try to do the numbers 1 to 10, or you can try finding different natural objects around your neighborhood or backyard. Remember, it doesn't have to be leaves, it can be any natural object.